So this is we are doing previous year problems. So this is another problem which was asked in KTU in September 2019 engineering mechanics. Okay, the question is to find the centroid and moment of inertia of the figure about the given axis. So in this video we will try to find the centroid, and it's a part 2 to this video. We will try to find the moment of inertia, right? So the question is given like this. There is an axis given. So there are three shapes, 1, 2, 3. There's a rectangle, triangle and a semicircle. All the dimensions are in centimeters. So this is one shape, shape number 3. We have a red shape here. So this question is more or less simple. It is given directly. Shapes are direct. So how do we solve this? So we know that for the triangle, the centroid of the triangle is, so this distance will be, if this is B, this will be B by 3. So this is for a right triangle. Okay, if this is height, this will be H by 3. This is H, so this is also H. Okay, this will be centroid of triangle. Rectangle, we all know half of the length and half of the width will be the centroid. And for a semicircle, so this is something which you have to remember. Semicircle, the centroid will be somewhere here, and this distance will be 4r upon 3 pi, where r is the radius of the semicircle. Okay, and it will be in this direction. In y direction, it will be at the distance of central location. Okay, so this is what we will use to solve this problem. So as I said, I have split it into 3 different sections. So the moment of what we will try to find out is we will use first moment of area to find the centroid. So the idea is first moment of area of the centroid should be equal to first moment of this area about some axis, the same axis, then first moment of area about the same axis, and first moment of area about the same axis. We have to add these things. Okay, we have to add these things. So what is first moment? So what we will do, we will try with about y axis. Okay, so this area, we will find the values of areas. So this area will be, what will be the area? 15 times 8. So this comes out to be something around 120 centimeters square. And where is the centroid? So centroid will be somewhere here. Okay, and the centroid location will be, so this distance will be half of 15, so that is 7.5, and this distance will be 4 centimeters. All units are centimeters. Even if I forgot to write some units, consider it to be in centimeters. Okay, the center of this triangle will be somewhere here. So distance will be, so of this width of this base, it will be 1/3. Okay, so this will be 5 by 3, 15 by 3, that is 5 centimeters. Okay, and this distance will be 1 by 3rd of 7, so that is 7 by 3 centimeters. Okay, so 7 by 3, and this distance is already given, that is 8. This is 8. So this height we already know, it is 8. Okay, and for this semicircle, okay, the area of the triangle is half base into height, half 15 by 7. So quickly, if I take the calculator and calculate, it is coming around to be 52.5 centimeters square. Okay, and now about this semicircle, area will be half pi r square. R is 7.5, so half times pi times 7.5 square. So this comes out to be 88.35 centimeters square. Okay, where is the centroid of this triangle? So we know somewhere here, and we also know this distance is 4r upon 3 pi. So this will be equal to 4 times r. So r is 7.5 divided by 3 pi. So this comes out to be 3.183 centimeter, and this height will be radius. This is 15, so radius is 7.5. Now what we will do, we will consider on axis. So the area of the total figure will be, let's say this plus this, sum of these three areas. Okay, 120 plus 52.5 plus 3.183. So this is 88.35. I'm sorry. So it comes out to be 260.85 centimeter square. So we have the area. So what we'll know, we have to find the centroid. I don't know where the centroid will be. I am just guessing it to be here. So this distance will be my y bar, and this distance will be my x bar. I have to find x bar and y bar. Okay. So the moment of this area about this distance, this location. Okay. So let's say, so this is x bar, this is y bar. So since I have assumed it to be here, I have to take x bar as negative. So I'll just do the calculation here. So what is this area? Total area is 260. So what we will do, the moment of this area about this axis should be equal to moment of this area about this axis plus moment of this area about this axis plus moment of this area about this axis. Okay, first moment of area. So taking first moment of area about y axis, we will get 260.85 times. So what is the distance from y axis? It is x bar. So it should be minus x bar. Why minus x bar? Because I am assuming to be in the left side. Right side assume right side assume plus it. Okay. So this should be equal to area, this area into distance, that is 120 times perpendicular distance is minus 7.5. Okay, plus this area is 52.5 times the distance is minus 5. Okay, so the distance we have to take the sign also, right? Then what we have, plus this area is 88.35 times this is plus about 3.183, right? So this house comes out to be minus x bar will be equal to, so what is this value? This value comes out to minus 3.37 centimeters. So x bar equal to 3.37 centimeters. Okay. Now, x bar assume x bar is positive. You will get that value is as minus 3.375. That is the answer coordinate in this side. Okay. So you will assume plus this equation value x bar is equal to minus 3.375. X bar minus this side. Okay. This side we assume x bar value positive. Okay. So I hope that is clear. Now we will try to find the y bar. Y bar and what we will do? The same operation we will do. Only thing is, instead of x axis, we will try to find about y axis. Sorry, x axis. About x axis, first moment of area. Okay. So what is the first moment of area of this figure about x axis? So we know that the total area is 260.85. So I forgot that total area here. I'll write that 260.85. Okay. So this is 260.85 times. What is the perpendicular distance? I don't know perpendicular distance. So I'm sorry. I should have taken this. So this is y bar. Okay. Times y bar should be equal to. So this area is 120 times what is the perpendicular distance? 4. It is 4. Then plus what is this area? 52.5. 52.5 times what is the perpendicular distance from x axis? So either 8 plus 7.3. 7 by 3. I'm sorry. 7 by 3. Okay. Now you can observe all positive values and we are getting all values as positive. Okay. In semicircle plus what is the area? 88.35. okay, times what is the distance? It is 7.5. Okay, centroid distance is 7.5. Okay, so when you solve this, you will get y bar equal to, so it comes out to be 6.46 centimeters. Okay, so we have found the centroid. So in another part under about both axes we have to find the moment of inertia, and part 2 okay. So we'll continue from this these slides. Okay, thank you.